1961 Delta Unisaw, all done. This was a complete rebuild. Repainted the cabinet, took everything apart, relubed and cleaned internal parts. It was missing a dust door, so I came up with this. And then it was missing the knobs and the handles, so I came up with a setup that blends in well and looks good. It's got a dust port on the side. New manual starter, new old stock I should say, sized for a 2 horsepower Leeson single phase motor, replacement motor. I made a motor cover with a Delta badge that I made to match, and slits there for airflow to the motor. And then I did a full extension table. I did a Formica top on this one, and then dropped a router in this with this router insert. It's a Triton router, and then added this router auxiliary fence, so it's got all the capabilities that a router table should have. So this was a good project. This was a full custom order. A client got a hold of me and wanted it set up just like this, so we made it happen.
So we'll recap the process here. Here are some before pictures. You can see those ugly yellow hand wheels, classic from school shops, and multiple coats of paint before the nice enamel was put on. Here's the Beastmeyer rails put on. We did the full extension table. And then here it is when it's all done. Some complete shots here. Really came out well. This is a fun project, as they usually are. There's that motor cover. And the router table I was really pleased with. Hopefully the customer will be as well. And then those decals on this fence, was able to clean those up. And one last before and after. Good stuff, ready to go.